The largest country in the world is Russia, covering 17.1 million square kilometers, 6.6 million square miles, about 11% of the world's land area. 5 interesting facts about Russia. Spans 11 time zones. Russia is so vast that it stretches across 11 time zones, from Kaliningrad in the west to Kamchatka in the east, making it the country with the most time zones in the world. Home to the coldest inhabited place on Earth, the village of Oymyakon in Siberia holds the record for the coldest inhabited place on Earth. With temperatures reaching as low as -67.7 degrees Celsius -89.9 degrees Fahrenheit. Has the deepest lake in the world. Lake Baikal in Siberia is the deepest and oldest freshwater lake on Earth, containing about 20% of the world's fresh water. Rich in natural resources, Russia has vast reserves of oil, natural gas, coal, and minerals, making it one of the most resource-rich countries in the world. Trans-Siberian Railway. The Trans-Siberian Railway, the longest railway line in the world, stretches 9,289 kilometers, 5,772 miles from Moscow to Vladivostok, taking about 7 days to travel end to end.